Have you ever looked at a small handful of fenugreek seeds and wondered how something so simple could have such a powerful reputation in traditional health practices? For generations, fenugreek has been used in Indian kitchens not only as a spice, but also as a traditional remedy. One of the most popular preparations is fenugreek water, soaking fenugreek seeds overnight and drinking the water, often first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. You may have heard that this simple drink can help control blood sugar, improve digestion, support weight management, reduce cholesterol, cleanse the body, and even improve your overall health. But here is the important question: which of these claims are actually supported by science? And perhaps even more importantly, is drinking fenugreek water every morning safe for everyone? Today, we are going to look at what may happen inside your body when you drink fenugreek water regularly, what the research actually tells us, how to prepare it, who should be careful, and the mistakes you should avoid. Because when it comes to natural remedies, natural does not automatically mean safe for everyone. So stay until the end, because one of the most important warnings concerns people taking medicines for blood sugar. What exactly is fenugreek? Fenugreek is the seed of a plant scientifically known as Trigonella fenugreecum. It has been used traditionally for thousands of years and is commonly found in Indian, Middle Eastern, and Mediterranean cooking. The seeds contain fiber, protein, minerals, and various plant compounds. One reason fenugreek has attracted scientific attention is its relatively high fiber content and the presence of compounds that may influence glucose metabolism. But there is an important distinction. Most scientific studies have examined fenugreek seeds, powders, extracts, or supplements. That does not necessarily mean that drinking a small glass of fenugreek-infused water produces exactly the same effects. This is something many health videos fail to explain. So when we discuss the potential benefits today, remember that the evidence for fenugreek as a whole is stronger than the evidence specifically for overnight soaked fenugreek water. That distinction matters. Benefit number 1, it support healthy blood sugar. Perhaps the most interesting area of research surrounding fenugreek is blood sugar control. Several clinical studies and meta-analyses have investigated fenugreek in people with type 2 diabetes and related glucose problems. Some research has found improvements in fasting blood glucose, post-meal glucose, and HbA1c. A recent meta-analysis of randomized controlled trials reported improvements in several glycemic measurements with fenugreek, although the researchers also emphasized the need for better quality studies. Another 2024 meta-analysis similarly found improvements in fasting glucose and HbA1c among people with type 2 diabetes. So, does that mean fenugreek water cures diabetes? Absolutely not. That would be an irresponsible claim. Fenugreek may potentially be a helpful addition to a healthy lifestyle, but it should never replace prescribed diabetes medication, appropriate nutrition, exercise, or medical monitoring. And there is another important point. Fenugreek may lower blood sugar. If you are already taking medication that lowers blood glucose, combining the two could potentially make your blood sugar drop too low. That is why people with diabetes should discuss regular medicinal use of fenugreek with their healthcare professional and monitor their glucose appropriately. NCI also warns that larger amounts of fenugreek can cause a harmful drop in blood sugar. So think of fenugreek as a possible supporting food, not a replacement for medical treatment. Benefit number 2, it help with digestion. Now let's talk about something many people notice when consuming fenugreek, digestion. Fenugreek contains soluble fiber and other plant compounds. Fiber can play an important role in normal digestive health. When consumed as part of an overall fiber-rich diet, it can help support regular bowel movements and healthy gut function. Some people traditionally drink fenugreek water because they believe it helps with bloating, constipation, or indigestion. But there is an important warning here. More is not necessarily better. If your body is not accustomed to consuming much fiber, suddenly taking large quantities of fenugreek may actually cause digestive discomfort. You might experience gas, bloating, diarrhea, or nausea. NCI lists diarrhea, nausea, and other digestive symptoms among possible side effects of fenugreek. So if you decide to try it, start conservatively rather than assuming that a stronger preparation will produce stronger benefits. Benefit number 3, it help you feel fuller. Here is another reason fenugreek is often discussed in weight management conversations. Its fiber content may help contribute to feelings of fullness. And when you feel satisfied after eating, you may be less likely to constantly reach for snacks. But let's be very clear, fenugreek water is not a fat-burning drink. It does not magically melt belly fat overnight. There is no special morning drink that can compensate for a consistently high-calorie diet, lack of physical activity, poor sleep, and chronic stress. If fenugreek water helps someone, the effect is more likely to come from the broader dietary pattern surrounding it. For example, imagine replacing a sugary morning beverage with plain fenugreek-infused water. That change could reduce added sugar and calories. The benefit would come partly from what you stopped drinking, not because fenugreek suddenly switched on a fat-burning mechanism. That is an important difference. Benefit number 4, it support heart and metabolic health. Fenugreek has also been studied for cholesterol and other cardiometabolic measurements. Some systematic reviews have reported reductions in certain cholesterol measures, including total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol, although the studies vary considerably in their design, dose, and quality. This is promising. But again, promising does not mean proven as a treatment. If your cholesterol is high, don't stop your prescribed medication because you started drinking fenugreek water. Instead, think about fenugreek as one small possible component of a heart-friendly lifestyle. The bigger picture includes eating more vegetables, choosing high-fiber foods, getting appropriate physical activity, maintaining a healthy weight, not smoking, getting adequate sleep, and following your doctor's recommendations. One food or drink rarely determines your health. Your daily pattern does. Benefit number 5, it may help you build a healthier morning routine. This benefit sounds simple, but it can actually be important. When people start their morning with a deliberate health routine, it can create a psychological signal. Today, I am going to take care of myself. Maybe you soak the seeds at night. You wake up. You drink the water. You take a short walk. You eat a balanced breakfast. You take your medications as prescribed. And you begin your day intentionally. The fenugreek water itself may provide only a modest benefit, but the routine can encourage other healthy behaviors. And for older adults especially, consistency can be more valuable than chasing miracle remedies. But does drinking it on an empty stomach make it more powerful? This is one of the biggest questions. You will often hear that drinking fenugreek water first thing in the morning, before eating anything, activates the benefits. But there is not enough strong evidence to say that drinking fenugreek specifically on an empty stomach makes it dramatically more effective. The timing is often based on traditional practice. That does not mean it is useless. It simply means we should separate tradition from proven clinical evidence. If you tolerate fenugreek water well and enjoy drinking it in the morning, there may be nothing inherently wrong with that for many healthy adults. But you don't need to believe that your body will suddenly enter a special detox mode simply because you drank it before breakfast. Your liver and kidneys already perform their normal waste processing functions. You don't need a magical detox drink. What your body needs is adequate nutrition, hydration, movement, sleep, and appropriate medical care. How to prepare fenugreek water. Now let's discuss the traditional preparation. A simple approach is to take a small amount of fenugreek seeds, Place them in a clean glass or container of water, and allow them to soak overnight. The next morning, some people drink the infused water and either discard or consume the softened seeds. However, there is no universally established medical dose for fenugreek water that guarantees a particular health effect. And this is important because many studies use specific amounts of fenugreek seeds or extracts that may be very different from a homemade glass of soaked seed water. So don't assume that increasing the number of seeds will increase the health benefits. In fact, taking larger amounts can increase the risk of side effects. Start small if you are trying it as a food, and pay attention to how your body responds. If you experience significant digestive symptoms, stop and speak with a healthcare professional. The biggest mistake: thinking more is better. This is where many people go wrong with traditional remedies. They hear that a particular ingredient may help with blood sugar. So they think, if 1 teaspoon is good, 3 teaspoons must be better. That's not how biology works. A substance can have a useful effect at one amount and unwanted effects at another. Fenugreek is a perfect example. Large amounts can lower blood sugar too much and can cause digestive problems. Allergic reactions are also possible. So don't turn a traditional food into a concentrated herbal treatment without understanding the risks. Who should be especially careful? This section is extremely important. If you are taking medication for diabetes, talk to your healthcare professional before using fenugreek regularly in medicinal amounts. Why? Because fenugreek may lower blood glucose, potentially adding to the effect of your medication. The same principle applies to people taking multiple medications or using other supplements. Herbal products can interact with medicines, and for many combinations we simply do not have enough high-quality evidence to predict exactly what will happen. Pregnancy is another important consideration. NCI states that fenugreek is not considered safe during pregnancy in amounts greater than those normally found in food because of concerns about potential risks to the developing baby. People with allergies to related foods or plants should also be cautious because allergic reactions can occur. And if you have a chronic medical condition, take several medications, or are considering a concentrated supplement rather than using fenugreek as a food, speak with your healthcare professional first. What about kidneys and the detox claim? You may see videos online claiming that fenugreek water cleans your kidneys. Be careful with statements like this. There is not enough evidence to say that drinking fenugreek water cleanses or detoxifies the kidneys. Your kidneys already have a sophisticated role in filtering blood and maintaining fluid and electrolyte balance. If someone has kidney disease, they should not automatically assume that every herbal drink is safe simply because it is natural. People with kidney problems can have very specific dietary and medication requirements. So if you have kidney disease, especially advanced kidney disease, ask your doctor or renal dietitian before making fenugreek water a daily habit. What about blood pressure? Fenugreek is sometimes promoted online as a natural blood pressure remedy. But the evidence is not strong enough to recommend fenugreek water as a treatment for hypertension. If you have high blood pressure, continue monitoring it and follow the treatment plan recommended by your healthcare professional. Do not stop blood pressure medication because your morning drink makes you feel healthier. Feeling good and having controlled blood pressure are not always the same thing. Can you drink it every day? For many healthy adults, fenugreek used in amounts commonly found in food is generally considered safe. But daily medicinal use is a different question. NCI notes that fenugreek appears generally safe in food amounts, while larger amounts may produce side effects and potentially cause a harmful drop in blood sugar. So the sensible approach is moderation. Don't treat fenugreek water like a prescription. Don't dramatically increase the quantity. And don't use it as a replacement for evidence-based medical treatment. The real secret is not the water. Now let's step back for a moment. Suppose you drink fenugreek water every morning, but afterward you eat a breakfast loaded with refined carbohydrates. You spend most of the day sitting. You rarely exercise. You sleep 5 hours. You smoke. And you ignore your blood pressure and blood sugar readings. Will one glass of fenugreek water transform your health? Probably not. The human body doesn't work that way. Instead, imagine another routine. You wake up. Drink some water. Have a modest amount of fenugreek if you tolerate it. Eat a balanced, fiber-rich breakfast. Take a walk. Eat more vegetables. Choose minimally processed foods. Stay physically active according to your ability. Get enough sleep. Take prescribed medications correctly. Monitor important health numbers. And keep regular medical appointments. Now you are doing something powerful. Not because of one magic ingredient, but because of consistency. So, should you try fenugreek water? For a healthy adult who enjoys fenugreek and has no reason to avoid it, a modest amount as part of a balanced diet may be reasonable. There is interesting research suggesting that fenugreek may support certain aspects of glucose control and metabolic health. But the evidence is not strong enough to call it a cure-all. And the evidence specifically for homemade fenugreek water is much less certain than the evidence for fenugreek preparations studied in clinical trials. So don't believe claims that one glass will detox your entire body, cure diabetes, clean your kidneys, burn belly fat overnight, or reverse every chronic disease. Those claims go far beyond the available evidence. The smarter approach is to appreciate fenugreek for what it is, a traditional food with potentially useful properties that is still being studied. Sometimes the most powerful health advice is also the simplest. You don't need a cabinet full of expensive supplements. You don't need a complicated morning ritual. And you certainly don't need to believe every health claim you see online. If you enjoy fenugreek water, use it sensibly. If you have diabetes or take medication, be cautious because fenugreek may affect blood sugar. If you are pregnant, avoid medicinal amounts unless your healthcare professional specifically advises otherwise. And if you have a chronic health condition or take multiple medications, discuss regular use with your doctor or pharmacist. Most importantly, remember this: a healthy life is not built around one miracle drink. It is built around hundreds of small decisions repeated consistently. The vegetables you eat, the movement you get, the quality of your sleep, the amount of processed food you avoid, the medications you take correctly, the medical checkups you don't skip, and the habits you continue even when nobody is watching. Fenugreek water can potentially be one small part of that lifestyle. But it should never become the entire strategy. So if you decide to try it, start modestly, listen to your body, and keep your expectations realistic. Because when it comes to your health, your goal should never be to find the strongest remedy. Your goal should be to find the safest and smartest habit that you can maintain for years. And that is where real health begins. Your health deserves clarity, not confusion.